Self-care is a ritual of devotion. Welcome to Womb Moon Yoga, yoga that helps women to be free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. I am here in Taiwan now and we are out. Here is my son playing in the stream, building some castles. And today I just wanted to speak about how self-care is so much easier, more pleasant and more efficient when it's done as act of devotion rather than the act of discipline. So, devotion. We are all devoted to something, even that might not be the word that we use. And my invitation to you is to feel into your body as the temple of your divine self, and devote yourself to taking care of this temple, because when your physical body is healthy and vibrant, then of course your energetic body, your soul is also vibrant, and you are much more in tune with your heart, with your desires. You can manifest whatever you wish easier. So it all starts with this simple care about the physical. And I always love this duality, devotion and discipline, because to start with, I always came from the point of discipline, and I knew that I have to take care of my body in certain ways, go to bed earlier, not to eat certain foods, of course do my yoga, stuff like this, and that was always based on discipline for me. And then of course I used to fail very often because discipline can't go only that far, and it doesn't really work so well for women. Discipline is a very masculine thing in its energy. It requires willpower, it requires dedication, while devotion for me feels much more feminine and gentle. It's also very dedicated thing, yet it's soft, it's flexible, and it's heart-based rather than based on solar plexus willpower. So with devotion, we can really love ourselves, even if we don't get to do that self-care that we planned, for example. So devotion allows us to be in love with ourselves no matter what. So self-care is not just the act of devotion, but also it could be a ritual of devotion. And a ritualistic component is also very important, just because when we do something as a ritual, we put so much more power into it. A ritual always requires presence. It means that you really know why you're doing it, what's your intention, and that clear intention and pure presence can truly create magic. So doing your self-care as a daily ritual of devotion will simply require these two things. Know what's your intention, and it could be very simple. I just want to feel good, I want to be healthy, or it could be something on a creative mode of what I would like to manifest. And then also your presence, just truly being in the moment, being in the body. And it's easy because if self-care is something you do for your physical body, you can really feel your body, right? But just remembering that it's that sacred temple where everything starts and everything is going to end for this lifetime, and being devoted to your own divinity through your self-care. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching this self-care series. Self-care is true foundation for feminine well-being, and I hope that it's going to become a more enjoyable part of your daily life. Thank you. So much love to you all. Bye bye. Namaste.